Ana layeng gi thabak sing asi digital ecosystem da pusilaktuna digital gi khuthangda hena komna layeng chathaba yana ba Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission ABDM gi makhada Imphal West District asi state asigi model district Oina National Health Authority NHA gi CEO Dr Sunil Kumar Barnwal na hongna bi matungina launch tawkhrai Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Manipuri amadi Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana ani na sinduna pangthokiba Tharomadu Dalenga ki Health and Family Welfare ki Commissioner cum Secretary Suman Singh amadi National Health Authority ki Director Dr Pankaj Kumar Arora na chingbana Maruaiba Mitunglan Singh oina sarukya ki Tharomadu da Imphal West ki DC Mayang Lambam Raj Kumar RIMS ki Director G Sunil Kumar Sharma Jenims ki Director Somorjit Salam Health Services ki Makok Thongba official ki asu sarukya ki Tharomadu Mari Lainana National Health Authority ki Chief Executive Officer CEO Dr Sunil Kumar Barnwal na hai Ana layeng gi thabak sing asi hena komna amadi masak thokna pangthokpada digital health ecosystem gi maruaiba si yamna chawna leirakli India lengang na paikhaliba Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission ABDM asi digital health ki yamna singthaningai oiba thoksilamane ngasigi healthcare system asi integrated oina amadi punna chatminabagi tangai fadabalai Manipur asi picture abasu leibak asigi achauba healthcare system asiga punna chatminaba tangai fade India lengang na paikhaliba Prime Minister Jan Arogya Yojana PMJAY Malemda khwaidagi chawba lengakna funded tawba health insurance scheme amane scheme asigi makhada nongmada miyoi lising marfugi mathakta analayeng chathari scheme asigi makhada haukiba chahi taret makhairom asida center amadi state na miyoi crore taranithoi hena analayeng chathanaba punalupa crore lakh amaga lising marifutara rom sizinari scheme asigi khudong chaba fangliba kanglup asi kham thengna lairaba amadi senthumka hena paijadaba imung singni Manipur gi waina kumchali singani tarani panda scheme asina imung lakh ahumga lising humbutara humdoi cover tawkhre haina mahangna makhata khi
One more thing I wanted to explain to all of you. Many people think that if it becomes a digital record, government or the hospital or maybe some agencies will get their record. So the privacy is the concern, security is the concern. I wanted to tell you, ABDM architecture is completely federated architecture. When I say federated architecture, the digital records generated doesn't move from one place to other place without the consent of patient.